Hey, ho, wait, the camera's on, Hey, how you doing? I go by the name of Electro Horse. Artist, producer, songwriter, line dance choreographer, and I have a new dance called Ride the Train, choreographed by me, myself, Electro Horse. Now, the song is also by Electro Horse, featuring Bree Carter and Brooks Herring. It's a 64 count circle line dance. It's progressive, meaning, hey, we're going to keep moving around because we're going to keep this train going. Do you hear me? So what I want to do is I'm going to do the dance first, and then I'm going to break it down to you. All right, let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Heel, 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 heel. Right, left, left, left. Paddle, 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 paddle. Grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left. Bring it on back. Heel, hip. Grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left. Bring it on back. Hip, hip. Okay. All right, so now we're going to break this down. Here's the first 8. So when you want to keep kind of treat it almost like it's a shuffle in the way you're stepping it. So let's go. The first 8. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, so that's the first 8. We'll do it again one more time. Slow it down. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Now your next 8 is going to be right heel, left heel, right heel, left heel. So let's do that. The next 8. Right, left. Okay, we'll do it one more time. Right heel, left heel, right heel, left heel. So let's put it all together for the first 16. Right, left, right, left, left. Heel, heel. Now, the next 8 after the first 16 is, again, we're going to do the first 8 again. Right, left, right, left. So let's put it all together first. Okay, let's go, starting from the beginning. Right, left, left, left. Heel. Right, left, left. Okay, so now we're going to add another 8 to that. So the next 8 is going to be 4 quarter paddles. And we're going to lead with the right foot. So let's go. Quarter, paddle, quarter, paddle, quarter, paddle, quarter, paddle. Okay, so let's put it all together again. Let's do it. Matter of fact, let's do the quarter paddle one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's going to put you right towards the front again. So let's put it all together. Right step, right. Left step, right step. Then heel. Right, left, left, left. Paddle. That's our first 32. So now let's worry about the next 32. Okay, so let's go. We're going to grapevine to the right, leading with your right. So grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left. Then we're going to step back with the right, step back with the left. Right hip, left hip. So let's start it over. Grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left, right back, left back, right hip, left hip. Now you're going to bend them knees. Now I want y'all to work it for me, work it. All right, so now, but what we're going to do is this 8 steps, plus the other 8, going back, we're going to do that twice. And that's going to make it 32. So let's do it one more time. Grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left, bring it on back, hip. So let's do it again, all together. All 64, let's roll it out. Okay, then I'll show you how to do it in a circle. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what we're going to do is after that, it starts over again from 1. So it's a straight line dance. It's only one wall, but it's going in a circle. And we keep going and we keep going. And that's called Ride the Train. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you another video of me actually doing it. I go by the name of Electro Horse, and hey, that's Ride the Train. You have a blessed day, and I want to keep the whole world riding this train, because this is going to be a big song, and I can't wait to let you know who's on the remix. Let's go.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Hello. I want to thank y'all for coming to this line dance fellowship.
Okay.
Amen. I need everybody to get in a circle.
Yes,
I said circle. And I need y'all to repeat after me.
okay.
And listen, neighbor, we're about to ride this train.
All aboard! Ride this train, go ahead and ride this train.
Come on, everybody.
Do your thing, go ahead and do your thing.
All aboard.
Ride this train, go ahead and ride this train. Do your thing, do your thing.
So all aboard, jump in line.
I can't dance.
Well, it's your time. Move, groove. This train is ready for you. Just find a place, do what I say. When you hear the choo-choo, jump on the train. When the song comes on, jump on the train. Everybody move together, show them how you train. White or black, brown or yellow. Ain't nobody here to judge if you push your yellow. A brand new dance called Ride This Train. If you ain't on the floor, you acting lame.
Ride this train, go ahead and ride this train.
Y'all ride this?
Do your thing, go ahead and do your thing.
Let's do it. Come on now.
Ride this train, go ahead and ride this train.
Go over there.
Do your thing, do your thing. Where's your ticket, baby?
Love one another, that's the mission.
Come on.
We